In this video, you'll see how the App Themes tool in ViziApps Studio can make your app more attractive and add consistency to the design of your app. The App Themes tool allows you to give your entire app the same color scheme, background images, fonts, and button design. Start by deciding whether you want a background color or a background image. For background color, click on the Select Background Color drop-down. Here you can simply choose a color from the web palette or get a little more involved with the RGB sliders, the HSB palette, or the HSV palette. To choose a transparent background, click on this box with a red line through it. If you know the hex value of the color you wish to use, you can enter it in the RGB sliders tab, the HSB tab, or the HSV tab. Likewise, if you know the exact HSB or HSV values for the color you'd like to use, you can enter them in the appropriate tab and click Apply. To choose a background image, click on the Background Image tab and browse the more than 120 curated background images, featuring many different styles, colors, and patterns. You can also upload your own image by simply clicking on Upload Your Own Background Image. Choose your own PNG or JPEG file, and when the upload is complete, you'll see this green dot next to your image. If you chose the wrong image, you can remove it here. Click Save, and you'll see your image in the background of your app on the canvas. A quick note about uploading your own images. ViziApps Studio will automatically resize your image to fit the size of the device. Make sure you size the image properly before uploading it, in order to avoid contorting your image. In addition, high-fidelity images that are large in size may take longer to load on some devices, so make sure you find a balance between fidelity and easy loading. Moving on to the Button Color tab. This gives you an opportunity to add uniformity to the design of your app's buttons. Here you can choose whether you want your buttons to be flat or standard, and what color they'll be. Flat buttons show a more modern look. Standard buttons show a little contour and look more like they're sitting on top of the background. Last is the Fonts tab, where you'll find 4 sections you can customize: the header font, the primary font, the secondary font, and the button font. Choose the font type for each section, add some styling if you'd like, choose the size and color, and then check the display to see if the font is what you want. You'll also notice you have the option of choosing a designated list view header background color. Once you've made your adjustments, simply click on the X in the upper right corner of the window, and you'll see the ViziApps Studio implement your themes. After you exit the dialog window, ViziApps will update your whole storyboard with the images. If you have many pages, it'll take some time, so just wait until the whole storyboard has been updated. If you want any field to have a custom style different from the app theme, you can override the theme style with style tools in the properties sheet of any field. For instance, if you'd like to place a button in your app that doesn't match the design of the rest of the buttons, simply choose Custom Colors and/or Fonts under the Style tab of the field you've chosen. Experiment with the App Themes tool on one of your own apps or one of our app templates, and find more helpful videos at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. Before you know it, you'll be creating apps like a pro with ViziApps.